How to uninstall Google Drive. For this, you have to go ahead and tap on this arrow and then tap on your Google Drive icon. Now from here, tap on the settings icon and select preferences. Once the drive open, you have to now go ahead and tap on the setting icon right on top, then disconnect your account and tap on disconnect for confirmation. If something like this pop-ups, this means you have successfully disconnected from your Google Drive. Now, the next step is to search in your search bar for uninstall a program or remove our program. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for Google Drive. Tap on the three dot next to it, then tap on uninstall. Then tap on uninstall for confirmation and again tap on uninstall. Now, simply like that, your Google Drive has been uninstalled successfully. Hopefully this video was informative to you and thank you so much for watching.